Hi, my name is Charles Foy. I'm an assistant professor of early American and Atlantic history at Eastern Illinois University. My scholarship and research focuses on the 18th century Black Atlantic. I'm specifically concerned with questions of how blacks established and then transformed their identities. Typically, involves the question and the process of moving from enslaved to free. As these two images show, the one on the left, which is a slave from 1732 dressed in ozenbrig, which is a cloth used by most plantation owners to clothe their slaves, to free, as shown in the picture on the right, which is a free mariner from 1805, a black from a British seaport. So I'm mostly concerned and focus my research on black mariners. I do so because they, more than any other group in the Atlantic world of the 18th century, moved about the Atlantic through the four continents surrounding the ocean: Europe, Africa, North America, South America, and in doing so crossed national, cultural, ethnic, and legal boundaries. And this group, probably better than any other group of the time, provides a window into attitudes concerning race and freedom in the Atlantic. The foundation of my research is what I call the BMD, the Black Maritime Database. This is a database of approximately 18,500 mariners spread across the Atlantic basin in all four continents: Europe, Africa, South America, and North America. This database holds the key to basic answer questions as to whether particular experiences in the Black Atlantic were either unique or commonplace. So, for example, was the kidnapping of Equiano, the sort of preeminent black mariner in the 18th century, was the kidnapping of his friend in London something that was unique or commonplace? When we look at the BMD, we find, in fact, examples of kidnapping and re-enslavement of black mariners across the Atlantic, and that was a fairly common practice, so that whether it was the young boy in Madeira who went on a ship to see how whale oil was made and found himself transported and sold into slavery in Boston, or the hundreds of free black mariners sold into slavery in Philadelphia and Burlington as prize goods during the American Revolution, this was a common experience. So the BMD is a research tool that really opens up a lot of windows to a fairly heretofore hidden world. My articles on the Black Atlantic have been published in Early American Studies, Commonplace, Slavery and Abolition, the Journal of Maritime History, Seaport, as well as several anthologies. My present book project, Liberty's Labyrinth: Freedom in the 18th Century Black Atlantic, is a consideration of how the doors open or close within the Atlantic for blacks.